Hi everyone! I'm vlogging from my bathroom because this is the best lighting in my apartment for some reason. And I am sitting on an exercise ball, which is why I'm bouncing.
Daily we party, each one day a week, chronic whimsy.
So I guess I'll start by telling you guys a bit about my internship. So basically we're trying to work on a mathematical model that explains the behavior of slime mold, particularly Physarum polycephalum, which is just a species of slime mold. Slime mold is a really cool organism. It's not microscopic, it's big enough to see, but it is one cell. I don't know why I'm holding up two fingers. It is single-celled. It uses spores to reproduce, so it used to be classified as a fungus, but it's not. It is a protist. The reason I hesitated before saying protist was because biology is not my thing. I'm doing this for the math portion of it, which is like fun stuff, graph theory. There's like some fluid dynamics, some linear algebra, and I don't understand any of it, but it'll all work out. The reason slime mold is so interesting is that it can be used to solve like really complicated computational problems. It can approximate a solution to the traveling salesman problem. Imagine that you are a traveling salesman, hence the name of the problem, and you have to visit 10 different locations. So the idea is to optimize the distance between those locations. And it's really hard because there's so many possible paths when you have 10 locations. Like, it's insane to find the answer, and when you increase the number of locations, it gets so much harder to calculate. It kind of spreads out, and when it finds food, it starts to form these like tendril type things. Those tendrils strengthen with a more optimal path to the food, and it finds paths between many food sources. So this has been used to model all kinds of road systems, most famously the Tokyo train system. And it's really cool. Other stuff I've been up to, I went to the Contour on Friday, which was yesterday, Skyway Flyer / Jason Monday, because that's the same person. So yeah, just, YouTube musicians, I think. I didn't know who they were before the concert, so I met some cool nerd fighters. I listened to some wizard rock and some other songs that were not wizard rock. It was basically my first semi-wizard rock concert. There ended up being a lot of hugging, lots of crying, lots of cookie dough ice cream. I carried an amp for the first time in my life. That was jokes. And then today, I literally spent the entire day, that is 14 hours, I count that as a day, watching the Harry Potter marathon on ABC Family. Carissa, I think it was you who asked this question about pets, so it's kind of like a weird time to ask that question. I have a bird, a parakeet. Her name is Sky. Sky. And until Thursday, I had a dog. Melody, I will see you tomorrow. If you want to start doing some kind of theme week, that would be awesome. Just go ahead and do it, and I think we'll all do it. And I guess we'll have to integrate punishments into the theme.